Look at all the birds. It's because of that winter blizzard up north. Look at that. And the birds are migrating. That is epic. I had to get a film of that. It's never happened before in like February. Now everybody thinks I'm probably like some kind of birdish documentist. No, I just like the fact that there's a whole bunch of birds in my front yard eating nothing. That is epic. Look at that. I feel like I'm about to get attacked or something. Dude, look at that. I want to go closer to that tree. Wow, that is epic. Look at that. There's like probably, look at that. Woo.